In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the numbers out of a line of text in Excel. So I'm working for this lady, and she has the customers write in all kinds of description, and then somewhere in there they have the value of whatever product they're trying to do, and she wants to do totals of these values. Now, I have two different methods of doing that, and they're both pretty close to the same for equal on how they work. So let me show you the formula one first. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go equals mid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the cell that I'm trying to get it out of. And it's a table, so it gives you the table. And then I'm going to go comma, find. So what we're going to look for is the first dollar sign. Okay, and so then I go opening bracket, and I put quotation marks around the dollar sign. And then I put a comma, and where we're going to find this from is this cell that we're in. And now, because people quite often put things after the value, like USD, or they put in approximately or something like that, I'm going to try to find the first space that's after these numbers. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a comma, or I'm sorry, a bracket to end this, and I'm going to put a comma, and I'm going to put find, and then I'm going to put an opening bracket and quotation marks and a space and quotation marks. So we're finding the first space after this dollar sign, and we're putting a comma in here, and we're going back to our cell and selecting our cell. Okay, so then what we're going to do is close the bracket for this and close the bracket for mid, and we're going to press enter. And so you get 215. Now let's drag this down. And that's perfect, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to do an automatic sum on this. And select these, and there you go, and it equals 0. And that's because these are text. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a value in front of this. So we'll go equals and then value, opening bracket, and then we're going to put a closing bracket at the end of this, the whole thing here, and we're going to press enter. We'll get the same number, but notice that it's over on the other side. And so what we're going to do is we're going to drag this down, and there's your total working for you. Okay, with Python, I'm going to do the same thing, but within Python. And the first thing I like to do in Python is define my data fields. So what I'm going to do is go equals py and then tab, so I'm in the Python mode. And my data frame is going to go, I'm going to go data frame, and I'm going to go equals. And then I'm going to go and select the word products all the way down to here. Now, you see that it says data frame equals Excel C6 to C9, headers equals true, meaning that I have a title on the top of this, and I'm going to press enter, or control enter, and it's going to give me a data frame. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to extract just the numbers out of this. Now, this time we're not looking for the dollar sign. What we're doing is we're going to take out all of the characters in here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to equals py and press tab. And we're back in the Python mode. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy in a formula and then I'll explain it to you. So here's our formula. And what it's saying is our data frame and the product, so that's what we're looking at here. We're going to string extract. And what we're doing is we're looking for 1 to 3 digits before the comma. And then we're looking for anything following the comma. And we're going to put 3 digits in here. And then you can either have numbers after the decimal place or not. That's what the last one is. And expand equals false. So I've now got this entered in here, and I'm going to go Control Enter. And now it says series. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to go Python output, and I'm going to go Excel values. Now, same thing is if we go and try to sum this up, it's not going to work because it is text. So we get 0. And so now what we can do is one more time is we can go select, go equals value, and then opening bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, and press enter. And now you'll notice that it has moved to the right side of the cell. So we're going to drag this down, and then we're going to sum, and it will sum happily for us. There you go. So that's how you extract the numbers from a string of letters. I will, of course, include the formulas for both the formula and for the Python extraction methods here. Please subscribe.